Hi, I'm Christy Titus with IHEA. There are a lot of considerations to make when it comes to selecting a rifle for your first or next hunting adventure, from cartridge performance characteristics to fit, feel, and selection of ammunition. Regardless of how long you've been hunting, selecting the right hunting rifle will give you confidence to head afield and have a positive hunting experience. Selecting a caliber for your hunting rifle is partly a personal decision and partly determined by regulation. Just because a caliber is best suited for one hunter does not mean that it is also the best choice for you. For those of you that are new to hunting or firearms ownership, caliber refers to the diameter of the barrel, which corresponds with a bullet that has a matching diameter. To select the right caliber for your hunting rifle, you will first want to determine what you're going to be hunting, the terrain features surrounding your hunt, the amount of recoil that you can comfortably manage, and the availability of ammunition. The size of animal that you're hunting will help to establish the caliber of rifle that you're going to want to purchase. If your rifle caliber is on the small side, it might not be adequate to ethically harvest the animal that you're hunting. And conversely, if you select a caliber that is bigger than necessary, it might even damage the edible portions of game meat, reducing the harvest yield. With that said, there will be published rules and regulations for the state or the country that you will be hunting that will help to determine what is legal for the game animal that you are pursuing. These regulations may help your search with a starting point. Ideally, you're going to be looking for a caliber that offers versatility and terminal performance for the size of game that you intend to hunt at the range and conditions that you anticipate making shots, while also being fun to shoot. A lot of new hunters will purchase a large caliber rifle that can have a lot of recoil, which makes spotting shots and any possible follow-up shots more difficult. Plus, they can have a heavier hitting recoil that may lead to flinching or other bad fundamental habits. It's always a great idea to go to the range and try out various calibers to determine what caliber you can comfortably shoot and that also has the performance characteristics that are necessary for your hunt. A general rule of thumb has always been the higher the caliber, the bigger the bullet, the bigger the game you can pursue with that caliber. Intermediate and or medium-sized cartridges may be more than adequate for your hunting needs with a lot less recoil, making them easier to spot your shots, more fun to shoot, and ammunition may be less expensive to purchase. Let's talk about the size of game animals and some common calibers for hunting rifles. For medium size, let's say 300-pound game animals and less, common calibers could include .243, 6mm Creedmoor, 6.5 Creedmoor, .450 Bushmaster, all the way up to .30-06. For large animals, let's say 800 pounds and less, 6.5 Creedmoor, 6.5 PRC to 300 Magnum. For extra large or dangerous game animals, let's say 800 pounds or greater, the 300 PRC, 7mm Magnum, and 3.75 Ruger. When making your decision, there are some newer cartridges that I have enjoyed shooting because they're very effective and, most important, fun to shoot. For medium-sized game, if you're a fan of the .308, then you'll want to take a look at the 6.5 Creedmoor, which is fun to shoot and has excellent performance characteristics at longer ranges or in windy conditions. For large game, the effectiveness of the 300 Win Mag cannot be argued. However, if you're looking for similar performance characteristics and up to a 60% reduction in recoil, then you'll want to take a look at the 6.5 PRC. Once you have determined a caliber, the next step is to select a bullet that is designed for your hunting application. Each caliber is going to be available in a variety of bullet weights and types. So selecting the appropriate bullet type and bullet weight are very important for the success of your hunt. Cartridges have limitations in energy, so they can either push a light bullet fast or a heavy bullet more slowly. Each caliber is going to offer bullets in a variety of weights. As a general rule of thumb, the bigger the game, the heavier the bullet you will want to use for that available caliber. In conclusion, selecting a cartridge and bullet combination that is going to have excellent performance characteristics as well as being easy and comfortable to shoot has become much easier, making hunting more enjoyable for the entire family. For more tips and tools on successful hunting, check out the Hunters Connect channel, streaming now on Carbon TV and YouTube.